Bringing the outdoors in. Discover the advantages of roof skylights. Skylights are a popular architectural feature in modern homes, offering aesthetics and functionality. They bring natural light, enhancing your space's ambiance and energy efficiency. Key benefits include natural light enhancement. Increases natural light in the interior, reducing the need for artificial lighting. Mood and productivity boost. Natural light improves mood and productivity. Energy efficiency. Lowers electricity use for lighting and heating, reducing energy bills. Health benefits. Exposure to daylight helps regulate sleep patterns. Improved air quality. Ventilated skylights boost air circulation. Architectural appeal. Adds a unique, space-enlarging design element. Increased property value. Skylights can raise a home's market value. Environmental impact. Reduces energy consumption, supporting sustainable living. Versatility in design. Offers various styles to match architectural needs. Installing a skylight enhances lighting, saves energy, and adds aesthetic value, making it a beneficial home investment.